A very good morning, children. Warm welcome to the new session. Happy Thursday, all of you. Today, the date is 02, which month? September, right? 9, 2021. And the day is Thursday. 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 Okay. And which subject? Thursday means you have EVS. Class, which class are you all? Third standard. Yes, and the topic is about which topic we were discussing in the previous class, and I have given some keywords to learn and write, right? Yes, about which subject? Judgment of which topic? Judgment of the owl. What is the judgment of the owl? Finally owl said, yes, we need both, all living being things and non-living being things. We need both. Both are equal. We need both. All the living being things dependent on the non-living being things. How? Air, water, soil, sunlight, these are the non-living being things. It won't need any food to grow, food to live. It won't need any food, right, to live. But we living things need all non-living things. Like water we need soil, we need sunlight, we need air to respire. Is it or not? So both are equal. Living and non-living things are both are equal. It seems owl given the judgment. In that way, owl given the judgment. So the lesson name is judgment of the owl. In this topic, what we have studied about? We have studied about living and non-living being things. What is the difference between living and non-living? It seems we have learned under this chapter. Okay, in the previous class, I have given some keywords to learn and write. In this session, what I have told, what we are going to do, it seems in the previous class I told, yes, we have to complete the worksheet which they have given in your textbook, right? That one we are going to complete in this session. Okay, please open your EVS textbook, page number 21. Page number 21. Here they are asking, okay, write in the table given below. What we have to write? Many things around you. You see many things around you. Classify them as living beings and non-living things. It says we need to classify. Okay. They have given one table. Okay. In your textbook only you have to write, children. In your textbook only you have to write. Okay. I make a table on the board. I just draw the table on the board. Okay. How we can recognize it is living or non-living? It says living things need food, right? So who need food to grow? Human beings, animals, birds, plants need food, need water, need air to grow, live, respire, right? Yes. Here what we have to write? Living things. Living beings. B-E-I-N-G-S. Okay, in the textbook itself we have to write, children. Okay. Non-living things. N-O-N-L-I-V-I-N-G. Non-living things. Beings. Things. Yes. Living things. The first one. What we can write? Human beings can we write? Yes. Write down. Human being. Human being. The living being, you have to write the first one. Human being. How we can say human beings are the living things itself? Because we can feel, we can reproduce, we can walk, we are able to walk, we can respire. We need food to live, we need water to live, we need air to respire, right? So that's why we can say yes, human beings are living beings. Okay. In the non-living, we can write chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Chair is a non-living thing. Why? Because it cannot move. It cannot need any food to grow, food to live. It cannot need any air to respire. It cannot feel, right? Second, animals. earth, to the same kind. Animals can move from one place to other place. Animals can respire. Animals can feel. Right? Yes. So animals are also living beings. Next, here we can write ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Non-living thing. Third one, birds. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. Yes, birds also can fly from one place to another place. It can go, it can move. Birds also can respire. Birds also can feel. Birds also can reproduce. Birds also need food to live. So we can say birds also living beings. Next here, in non-living column we can write table. Okay. T-A-B-L-E. Table. Table is a non-living thing. It won't move. It cannot move from one place to another place. It won't need any food, water, air to live. Right? So it is a non-living thing. Next, fourth one. Human being, animals, birds, insects can we write? Yes. Insects also need food, water to live. It can also fly. Okay, it can also reproduce, it can also feed. So insects also living things. Next, fourth one, here we can write book. B-O-O-K. Book. It is a non-living things. Okay, 4 is an abstract. Right now, in the living things, human being, animals, birds, and insects have written. In the non-living things column, I have written chair, ball, table, and book. Finish it soon. Okay. Now come to the page number 22. Here they have given some pictures. We need to compare. Okay. The first picture. If we put one seed into the soil, it grow. It will become a just grow as a sapling. Then it will become a big plant or big tree. So what we can understand here? Yes, plants will grow. Plants will grow. Okay, next picture. Book. Does it grow? No, right? Because it is a non-living thing. Next, in the third picture. In the first picture, it is a chick. Okay, in the second picture, it become a hen. Right? So, animals can grow. Animals can grow. Okay. In the fourth picture, chair. Does it grow? No, because it is a non-living thing. It will not grow. It cannot grow. Okay. In the fifth picture, we can observe there is a one baby. Okay. In the after picture, there is one girl. Okay. Yes, babies can grow. Right? Yes, human beings can grow. Human beings can grow. Okay. So, what we can understand? Living things, all living things. Not only human being, not only birds, animals, insects. All living being things can grow. Okay. One more living things we forgot to write, children. Very important, that is plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. That's why we just write down fifth one. Box, plastic box, B-O-X box. Okay. Plants will grow. All living being things. Plants, human beings, animals, insects, all living things will grow. Non-living things will not grow. Cannot grow. Okay. In the next picture, in the page number 23, in the next picture, this girl is eating the food. This girl is eating the food. This boy is watering the plants. So what we can understand? All the living things need food to grow, food to live. Okay. All the living things need food. Even animals also. Animals, birds also need food. Here this cow is grazing the grass, right? And this hen is eating the grains. So all the animals, birds, human beings, plants need what? Food. Need food to live. Okay. Next. In the next picture, baby and her mother. Okay, baby and her mother. Here one small plant and one big tree. Next, here we can see the cow and calf, baby one, younger one. Next, here we can see in this picture we can see hen and their chicks. Okay, what we can understand? All the living things can reproduce. All the living things can give birth to the same kind. All the living things can give birth to the same kind. What we can understand? All the living things can give birth to the same kind. Younger one. Okay. Next. This boy is sitting and doing yoga. So, what he is doing? He is taking oxygen to the inside of the body and is removing, putting out from the body what? Carbon dioxide. Okay, what he is doing? He is respiring. Continuously is respiring. Breathe in and breathe out. What he needs? He needs air. So what we can understand? All the living things need air to respire. Here one more picture. Fish is also respiring. So all the animals, water animals, either water animals, birds, plants and human beings need what? Air to respire. Air to respire. Understand? Okay. Next, come to the page number 25. Page number 25. There are some similarities between plants and animals. For example, both plants and animals respire. Observe the pictures given below. Write the similarities in the space provided. One similarity, that is, all the animals, plants need air to respire. That is one similarity. All the animals, all the living things, not only animals, plants, children, but here they are given the similarities between plants and animals. Okay, but in the real case, all the living things need air to respire. Okay. According to the picture, we need to write the similarities between the plants and animals. Okay. Fine. Now I am going to erase this box. Erase this table. Okay. Now what we have to write? The similarities between plant and animal. The similarities between plant and animal. In the first picture, you just observe, this is the big plant and this is the younger one, right? So, and here we can observe cow and calf. What we can understand? Both plant and animals can reproduce, can give birth to the same kind. So, what we have to write here? Below these pictures, there is one space, right? Small line. There you have to write the answer. Both, B-O-T-H, both plants and animals, both plants and animals can give birth, can reproduce, can give birth also we can write. Okay, what we can understand from this picture? Both plants and animals can reproduce. That is a major similarity between the plants and animals. One more. In the book only they have told about respire. Both plants and animals can respire. Both plants and animals can give birth to the same kind. Can reproduce. Okay. In the next picture. This boy is putting the soil to the plant. Okay. Soil and water to the plant. And this rabbit is grazing the grass, eating the grass. So what we can understand? Both plants and animals need food. Write down. Both Plants, Plants, plants and A-N-D. And in the book itself you have to write and animals need food. Need food. Okay. Both plants and animals need food. Okay. Come to the next picture. Here, from the seed, plant will grow. From the seed, plant will grow. Okay. Next, from this egg, chick will come out. Okay. Chick comes from this egg. So what we can understand, both plants and animals will grow. Write down, both plants and animals will grow. Both plants and animals will grow. From the egg, chick comes. From the seed, plant will grow. Okay. So what we can understand, both plants and animals will grow. Okay. Next, come to the page number 26. Come to the page number 26. Till here, I hope all are completed. Okay. Next, come to the page number 26. Okay. I will read now. You have observed the differences between plants and animals. Look at the pictures given below and write the differences in the space provided. Now what we have written? The similarities between the plants and trees. Now what they are asking in the page number 26? Differences. Differences between the plants and animals. That one we have to write. Okay. According to the picture, we have to write the differences between the plants and animals. First I will explain. Okay. Here they have given two pictures. One is plant picture. In the second picture, right side, they have given one horse picture. What we can understand? Plants, does it move? Plants, does it move? No. Plants cannot move. Plants cannot move. Horse, one more picture on right side, one more picture, that is horse. Horse can move? Yes. So what we can understand? Animals can move. Plants cannot move. Okay, do not move from one place to another place. Plants does not move. Okay, plants do not move from one place to another place. Animals can move from one place to another place. This is the major difference between animals and plants. One more. Here they have given different kinds of leaves. On left side they have given different kinds of leaves picture. On other side they have given the dogs picture. Here you just observe, all are dogs, children. All the animals are dogs. Okay. All are dogs. Okay. You just observe the left side picture, different kinds of leaves. Whichever you just observe, whichever mango tree you just observe, all the mango tree leaves are same. Okay. All the mango tree leaves are same. But in the second picture, they are all dogs, but they are different from one to other. You just observe the picture. All are dogs, but it's different from one to other. In color, size, shape, different from one to other. But here, all the leaves, this is the different kinds of leaves. But you just observe, if it is the first one is mango leaf, you just assume the first one is mango leaf. You just observe the mango tree leaves, all mango tree leaves are same. You just observe the people tree leaves, all the people tree leaves are same. You just observe the jackfruit tree leaf, all the jackfruit tree leaves are same. So what we can observe, what we can understand here, all the plants and leaves will be same. Okay. Different kinds of leaves, trees, leaves will be same. Okay. And one more major difference we can understand. Plants and trees are in green color and animals are in different color. That one also we can write. Okay. We'll write that difference on the board. differences now I am writing. Plants do not move. Plants, write down. Plants do not move. Here on left side you have to write, on right side you have to write, sorry. Animals can move. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals can, C-A-N, can move. M-O-V-E, move. Animals can move. Next. Plants and leaves are in green color. Plants and leaves are in green color. In green color. Here in the animals column, what we can write? Animals are in different color. Animals are in different color. C-O-L-O-U-R, different color. Plants do not move. Plants and leaves are in green color. Animals can move. Animals are in different color. This is the major differences we can observe between plants and trees. Plants and animals, sorry. So, we have finished the textbook activities. From the next session, I am going to give you the notes regarding the topic judgment of the owl. Until that, keep learning whatever I have given, which I have given the notes till now regarding the topic judgment of the owl. Keywords and textbook worksheets. Okay, all the worksheet you have to practice. All the keywords you have to practice. This is the main question and answers. Okay, children. Differences between plants and animals. Similarities, write the similarities between plants and animals. All the living things need what? Dash, dash, dash. Food, water, air. Right? So, you have to practice all the textbook worksheets also. Okay? I am going to wind up the session now. From the next session, I am going to give you the notes regarding the topic judgment of the